those unusual days is still today. There is still a need for Shiba Inu training. There is a sense of mistrust. The indications are being dropped by the analysts. Shiba Inus are undergoing a complete reset. Something monumental is about to happen at Coinbase. Furthermore, this may cause Shiba Inu to reach new heights. Nevertheless, many remain perplexed. Days have passed with absolutely no sound. Tell me what's going on? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice: the Shiba Inu community isn't exactly celebrating a good day today. Attempts to push higher have failed and the price remains in the red. It is unable to break out of this slump. Even the charts aren't very encouraging, behaving more like they're hesitating than making a robust recovery. There is some good news though. It's as if Shiba Inus are attempting to climb a hill but keep slipping back down before they reach the peak. After yesterday's deeper plunge, there was a small comeback that helped regain some ground. There hasn't been a dramatic change, but it lessened the impact at least somewhat. Considering the circumstances, the fact that Shiba Inu was able to maintain the 24-hour loss below 1% instead of a sharp decline is a minor victory. Investors are understandably nervous in light of the recent price volatility. People are even opting to sell their shares because they are so scared. The neighborhood is feeling downcast because of the bears. The Shiba Inu is now in a strange and uncertain situation, according to one analyst. As far as the price chart is concerned, there is little to recommend it. The one bright spot: the declining trend is temporary. Shiba Inus can get over this tough spot faster if they move through it quickly. At the moment, though, things appear unstable, and worrying patterns appear on the charts, as cryptocurrency prices continue to fall. Of course, Shiba Inus are no different. Actually, it was on the verge of creating a death cross not long ago, an indicator of perhaps more negative momentum in the near future. The fact that this is occurring on a daily basis suggests that its effects may be long-lasting. The value of Shiba Inus has dropped significantly this week, and that's before the death cross has even developed completely. The market may be anticipating another decline even before it occurs, if that is the case. Fortunately, this pattern may not signal the beginning of a larger crisis when it does emerge. It may signal the start of the downturn's eventual end. There aren't many possible outcomes right now. Shiba Inu could either continue falling with the next major support level located much lower than its current position, or it could get trapped in a tight range, bouncing between two price levels until it breaks out. The future of this situation is dependent on whatever happens next. News for Shiba Inus though, so bear with us. Despite how terrifying this price cut is, it may really be a boon. It may be the turning moment we've been anticipating, rather than an indication of further problems. According to one expert, Shiba Inu has finally established a level that might be the basis for a genuine price turnaround. Following the death cross, the market is displaying indications that a bottom may be on the horizon. Traders frequently view the formation of a pattern as a possible turning point. Take a step back and look at the broader view before you get too thrilled. The Shiba Inu is showing encouraging signs by clinging to a key support level. However, more purchasing power is required for a genuine recovery to gain momentum. Any recovery could be precarious in the absence of a strong push from bulls, and the market appears to be in a state of uncertainty. That's why it's crucial to remain vigilant. Until the market as a whole decides on a course of action, Shiba Inu's future plans remain uncertain. However, you may be asking, what the fuck is going on? What's causing the Shiba Inu to fall for the past few days? So, let's stand back and see the broader view. It appears that Bitcoin is also struggling. This is one of its lowest positions in months, and it just suffered a major hit. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency market tends to follow Bitcoin's downturns, but now things start to get interesting. A single analyst is completely unconcerned. No matter how bad things seem right now, he remains adamant that Bitcoin is going to reach a ridiculously high price of somewhere around $500,000. The market's customer profile has shifted, in his opinion. Before hedge funds became involved, it was largely regular traders. What comes next? This may indicate that large-scale, long-term investors are preparing to make a purchase. The entire cryptocurrency market might be rocked if that occurs. In light of this, how does this affect Shiba Inus? The general public's faith in the market may change. and Shiba Inu may regain its footing once Bitcoin begins to rebound and institutional investors continue to pour money into the cryptocurrency. But for the time being, it may be best to remain patient as things are still unclear. Now, for the exciting part, it's possible that Shiba Inu will also be greatly affected by some major news. Rumor has emerged that one of the largest traditional market indices is considering adding Coinbase to its portfolio soon. The entire cryptocurrency market might be rocked if that occurs. The value of Coinbase has nearly doubled in the last 5 months due to a tremendous spike. One expert, though, believes it has a lot of space to go even higher. He is now projecting even higher gains for Coinbase stock and has raised his price target accordingly. Taking this into account, Coinbase's inclusion in a major stock market index this year is quite probable. With US-based headquarters, market capitalization in the tens of billions, and annualized consistent earnings are eligible. And you know what? All those criteria are checked by Coinbase. A large number of new investors may enter the cryptocurrency market if this occurs. Large, established institutions that may not have previously thought about crypto. Just this one thing might be the catalyst that Shiba Inu needs to soar to new heights. Many people who have never invested in cryptocurrency before, including large institutions, hedge funds, and regular stock traders, would become aware of Coinbase if it were to be included in a prominent stock market index. It would not be surprising if Shiba Inu and other assets listed on Coinbase were to benefit from an influx of new capital. Why it is even more important, have used Coinbase before. Because of its prominence as a marketplace for Shiba Inu, Coinbase stands to gain a lot of attention from potential stock market investors, which might lead to a surge in demand for meme coins. Now for the exciting part. There is no ordinary meme coin like Shiba Inu. A dedicated group of people think highly of it, and it has practical applications and a strong community behind it. Thanks to its robust community and constant improvement, Coinbase is poised to become a popular option for novice investors interested in investigating the cryptocurrency industry. The Shiba Inu price could reach levels not seen in a while if a sufficient amount of new capital comes in, which could cause it to gain significant momentum. Appear to be a narrative centered about coins at first glance, but it could have far-reaching consequences for Shiba Inus. Shiba Inus might be among the most well-off breeds if long-time market participants suddenly become crypto zealots. This is when things get wild. Shytoshi Kusama has vanished in all the chaos. Not a single tweet for a whole week. So far, there have been 0 announcements, 0 changes, and 0 new partnerships. Not a single thing. The developers should be stepping in to reassure the community and keep everyone informed given the market's unpredictability. No, there is complete quiet. As a result, speculation has reached a fever pitch. The difficult questions are being asked. Were we left high and dry? Have they given up Shiba Inus? At a time when prices are falling and panic is setting in, the squad should be taking the lead. The fact that they remain silent, though, everyone is getting even more anxious because of it. But wait, could this relative quiet be a sign of impending greatness? Is it possible that they have some enormous secret project in the works? Can you recall how, almost out of nowhere, they announced that massive cooperation with the UAE, even though no one had anticipated it? Is it possible they're preparing for yet another shocking development, a revolutionary partnership, an invention that changes the game? If that's the case, we may be entering a period of relative calm.